Hello everyone, I am Dr. S.K. Sonkar, Assistant Professor of SIRT EX Department, Bhopal. Today we are discuss power system protection and the topics of IL circuit breaker. Okay, so contain IL circuit breaker. Oil circuit breaker, in such breakers, some insulating oil, that is transformer oil, is used as an arc quenching medium. The contacts are open under oil and an arc is struck between them. The heat of the arc evaporates the surrounding oil and disassociate it into a substantial volume of the gaseous like hydrogen at the high pressure. Here, this is the diagrams of the oil circuit breaker. This is parting contacts, and this one is the bubbles of the vapors, and this fill in the air, and this one is the produce for arc. The oil is therefore pushed away from the arc and expanding hydrogen gas surrounds the arc region and adjacent portion of the contact. So see the diagrams. The arc extension is facilitated mainly by two processes. First is the hydrogen gas has high heat conductivity and cools the arc, thus aiding the deionization of the medium between the contacts. And secondly, the gas set up the turbulence in the iron and the force it into the space between the contact, thus eliminating the arcing product from of the arc path. So here the result is that arc is extinguished and circuit current interrupted. Advantages of oil circuit breaker: it absorbs the arc energy to decompose the oil into gas, which have excellent cooling properties. It takes in the insulator and permits smaller clearance between like conductor and the earth components. And second, the surrounding oil present cooling surface in close proximity to the oil. And disadvantage of oil circuit breaker, that is an arc quenching medium. This is the disadvantage. It is inflammable and there is a risk of fire. It may form an explosive mixture with air. The arcing product, that is carbon, remain the arc and its quality deterioration and successive operation. The necessity periodic checking and replacement of the oil. And types of the oil circuit breaker, this can be classified into the following types. First, bulk oil circuit breaker. Second, low oil circuit breaker. Bulk oil circuit breaker, which is the large quantity of oil. The oil has to serve two purposes. Firstly, that is the arc during the contact, and second is the insulating current conducting parts from one another in the earth tank. Such circuit may be classified into plain break oil circuit breaker and the arc control oil circuit breaker. And second, low oil circuit breaker, which use minimum oil amount of oil. In such circuit breakers, oil is only for the arc extension. The current conducting parts are insulated by air and porcelain or organic insulating materials. Break IL circuit breaker. A plain break IL circuit breaker involves the simple process of separating the contact and the whole of the oil in the tank. There is no special system for arc control other than the increased length caused by the separation of the contact. The arc extinction occurs when the certain critical gap between the contacts in reach. And this one is the oil circuit breaker contain tanker, that is the transformer ion, and this one is the moving contact, and this one is the fixed contact, and fill the oil level, and here this is the air expressions. And thank you.